guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a fall decorate with me video. Today I'm taking you all over the house as we decorate for the fall season. I am so excited for this video. I'm so ready to get this house all decorated and decked out for the fall. If you missed my last video, I recently filmed a fall home decor haul video where I share with you guys a couple of my recent finds that I will be utilizing in this video, so make sure to check that out. I'll link it down below. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Paula. I make videos on lifestyle, home, organization, style, and more, so I hope that you will hit that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell. That way you're notified on when I post next. But without further ado, let's go ahead and jump in. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start decorating. So I brought everything downstairs to the dining room, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean the kitchen first, and then we're gonna decorate. So I'm first gonna start out by cleaning up the kitchen and just the space. I like to have like a clean space before I decorate. So here I'm just washing some of the dishes that we still had in the sink. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take this Mrs. Meyer's apple cider scent all-purpose cleaner to wipe down the counters. And I love using this microfiber cloth here to wipe down the counters because it won't scratch your counters, and you know, you can reuse it. Next, I'm going to wipe down the countertops and remove some of the things that I had on here, just to start off with a clean slate. And a couple of the things I am going to keep on here, like our knife set and then our air fryer and our Google Home, things like that. So I'm just going to wipe around them. I'm going to open up these flowers that Ricardo got me for our 7th year wedding anniversary, which was so sweet. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the bottoms and then put them in this vase here, and I'm going to take them up to our room. Not going to keep them down here for the fall decor, but definitely going to take them upstairs. Here comes Maddie through the door. He was playing outside with Ricardo and he decided to just make a guest appearance, so there he goes. I'm going to go ahead and decorate, so I'm going to place this paper towel holder that I found at Target here in the corner, and I love the look of this. It has like a wooden rod and then like a ceramic bottom, then a candle, some cutting boards, and then also another like a round candle to go here in the corner, and then my Bulldog salt and pepper shakers, which I love. Go Dogs. I clean up the fridge a little bit, so I had a ton of magnets here and an old postcard, so I'm gonna just clean it up and organize it, and then I'm going to store away this beautiful artwork by Maddie. And then here on the other side, I'm just gonna adjust some things. I'm gonna keep most of this here and then just get rid of some random things that were stuck in the behind the cutting board. Now I'm gonna replace the soap with this Mrs. Meyer's apple cider hand soap scent. So on the kitchen island, I'm going to add the woven basket tray here with this beautiful vase and floral stems, along with the pumpkin and this Honeycrisp apple candle, which smells so good. You guys have to smell this. You can find it at Target. I'll link it down below. It's literally my favorite right now. Next, I'm going to go ahead and switch out the kitchen towels. So I'm going to add these waffle knit hand towels that I got at Marshall's, and I love these because they come like in some neutral colors. It's a sage green, a cream color, and then a taupe. So I'm gonna add the sage green one and then the cream to my little handles here on the dishwasher, and then also under the sink cabinet. The breakfast table, I'm going to start off by cleaning it off first, and then I'm going to decorate it with this wired tray along with my woven placemats, and then I'm going to add the ceramic floral arrangement here in the middle along with this daily bread little Bible quote piece that I have. I love it because you can pull out a new Bible verse to read every day once you're eating, and it's just a great way to, you know, read the word. Next, I'm going to add these little vases to the floating shelves here, and then I'm going to move on to the entry table. So this is the first thing that you see when you walk through the door. So I'm going to wipe that down, and then I'm going to add these oversized woven baskets that I already had. So I'll link these down below. I also got these at Target. I love the look of these. I think they're really beautiful and can be used for storage. So then I'm going to go ahead and add this oversized apple cider candle and this vase from Target and some of those floral stems from at home. I'm going to add these restoration hardware catalogs that I had laying around in the living room. I thought these would make a cute decor piece, so I stacked about 4 of them, and then I added the little floral vase here along with the little woven pumpkin. Moving on to the guest bathroom, I'm going to go ahead and remove all of my curtain decor, and I'm going to go ahead and wipe down the counters here. And I'm also going to be using this apple cider scent here just so everything smells like apple cider. I'm going to add this hand lotion and hand soap little kit that I got at Marshall's. I featured it in my last fall home decor haul video. If you haven't seen that, I'll link it here. But I love it because it comes with a little wooden tray and then also with this little vase with some fragrance oil. So I'm just going to fill that up and then add the little sticks, and this comes in the citrus scent, so it's not really very fall themed, but I think it still works for the bathroom because it's like a clean scent. And then I'm going to go ahead and switch out this little decoration for a little scent packet from Kirklands, and then I'm going to add this little pumpkin caramel candle from Marshall's, and then I'm going to fix up this little hand towel that I have here, and then add another vase with some just greenery on it, and I think that's about it. Yep. The room, I'm first going to start off by cleaning up all of my son's toys. Maddie loves to play in the living room. He has his playroom, but he also loves the living room, so cleaning up all his toys. He's really into dinosaurs and cars right now. So he has his little corner here in the living room, and I still got to figure out a better way to keep his toys organized, but for now they're kind of here in the corner. But for the main like living space, I'm going to wipe down the table, and then I'm going to replace the centerpiece with this other ceramic you know, tall vase that I found at home. And then I was trying out these floral stems. I thought I was going to keep these, but then later on I do switch them out. I did add this candle, this little pumpkin candle from Target, and then also our Bible. Now I'm going to clean up the couch area. We have Maddie's little chair, which is so cute. He uses it all the time, but for now I'm going to place it on the side, and I'm going to remove these velvet pillows that I've had here for a while, and I think I'm just going to keep the cream color ones, keep it a little bit more neutral, and then bring in one of my throw blankets to add a pop of color. I also got these pillow covers from Amazon. I'll link them down below if you're interested, but I love using pillow covers to switch it out for the different seasons. It's a great way to save some money and try out different styles. So I'm going to be using this like olive green throw blanket to put here on the side on the sectional, and I love how cozy this blanket is. It's super soft and it's really good quality. It's by the Threshold Studio McGee line, and I love it. I love how this looks, and I love the color that it brings to the couch. Here are the other floral stems that I decided to go with. I've had these for a while. They're from Hobby Lobby and I love them. So for the fireplace section, I am going to place out this scented broomstick. Ricardo actually brought this home the other day, and he said that he loved the smell of it, so we're going to use it. It's in the apple orchard scent, and then I'm going to clean up the mantle, move some toys around, and just add some really fun decor pieces here. So I found this beautiful fall garland at home, and I love the colors in it. I think it has a lot of good neutrals and a lot of like fall colors as well, so I'm just going to place this right over the mantle. And then also for the frame TV, I switched out the picture to this one. I thought it was a little bit more fallish. I may switch it later, I'm not sure, but I think it kind of went with it. lastly, I'm going to add this woven basket that I have filled with Maddie's toys, and then the broomstick on the other side. For the mudroom, I decided just to clean up some things that I had here, and I added this oversized pillow, and then of course Maddie's diaper bag, and then also this cute little fall wreath that I thought added a little bit of pop of color. Okay, and lastly, for the dining room table, I'm going to decorate it with some little candlesticks, and then also with these woven placemats that I also had in the breakfast area. These are from IKEA. If you're looking for some like inexpensive ones that look high quality, I would check out IKEA. I know there's a lot out there, but I found all these for a really good price. So yeah, I'm gonna place those there, and then I'm gonna add the candles to the candlesticks here. These are from Walmart, I believe, and the candlesticks I found at Target. And then lastly, to finish it off, I'm going to add these little pumpkin candles that I found at Target in the cream color, and these smell like sweet pumpkin, and I thought they were just like the perfect little touch. So here's a final look at everything and how it all came together. That was it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed decorating with me today. Let me know what things were your favorites, and make sure to thumbs up this video if you want to see more home decor videos, and don't forget to subscribe. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. Remember, you're all beautifully and wonderfully made, and I will see you in the next video.